with water inside. May kulay yung tubig. May kulay? Wala, right? It's clear and transparent. You can see it on the other side. Lalagyan ko siya ng kulay. Lalagyan ko siya ng isang chemical. This chemical is called iodine. So I think mas familiar sila mommy and daddy dito sa iodine dahil madalas nila ito ilagay sa mga sugat ng kanilang mga anak. Right? It's betadine. Right? Yung betadine at home, it's made of iodine, right? So I'm going to put 2 droppers. Okay? Ano ng kulay ng tubig natin? Brownish. So yan ang color ng water natin? Red, okay? Brownish. Red, okay? Maroon, okay?
Rusty.
What is it? It's rusty, parang rust na kalawang. Okay. Then, mix na lang yung color. And then, maglalagay ako ng powder. Going to do the powder. This is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a very famous vitamin. And you probably know this, alam nyo ito, especially if you take your vitamins every day. So, ascorbic acid is also known as vitamin C. So, this is just mga vitamin C tablets na dinurog-durog po namin first into a powder. Na ano ang kulay ng vitamin C? Yellow. Okay, so yellow. Yellow ang color ng ating vitamin C. Lalagay ko siya dito sa ating water. Okay? Okay, Ting? Okay na yan? Hindi pa tapos yung experiment. I have to do one more thing. I have to shake this bottle. And tingnan nyo kung ano nangyayari dito sa ating bottle. In 3, 2, 1. Chemical reaction. So, when we mix our iodine and vitamin C together, a chemical reaction happened and we created something new again. So, your vitamin C, which is yellow, plus iodine, let's say it's color brown. When we mix them together, we created something called iodine. And iodine is a colorless substance. Doesn't have a color. That's why nakita nyo na nag-disappear yung color here from